Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a hyperlink to a file. Let's get started. I have an example here. What I'll do is attach a hyperlink to this word. So anyone who clicks on this link will open another file. To insert a hyperlink, I'll use the easiest method. Press Ctrl K. And a dialog box will appear. Now I'll select the existing file option. I'll navigate to the desktop and select the file. If you know the address of the file, you can also type it in directly. Once you click OK, the text will be converted to a hyperlink. I'll click on this link. As you can see, it will direct you to the address you provided. There you have it. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.